Hello and welcome. Can you solve this equation? If you can do it, let's do it together. If you can't, let's still do it together and ensure to stay till the end because you have something new to learn. Remember, this is Maths Olympiad, and I'm going to show you the best approach to answer this question. Now, let's do it together. So we begin it with solution. We are given this and this to find this. So I'm going to have, this is 2 to the power of x minus y is equal to 25. And we also have 2 to the power of x plus y is equal to 125. So what do we do next? Let's remember our indices. Can we express this in exponents? Remember, your 25 is the same as 5 multiplied 5, which is 5 to the power of 2. And 125 is 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5, which is 5 to the power of 3. So if we can apply this here, this is going to give us, we have 2 to the power of x minus y is equal to, this will give us 5 to the power of 2. Then for this we have 2 to the power of x plus y is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So what do you think we should do next? It's complicated, isn't that? But we are going to simplify it. So what we should do first is, can we divide each of these power by this? Let's see how that goes. So we can say, because normally this has led to exponential equation. Supposing the bases here are the same, supposing we have 2 to the power of x minus y is 2 to the power of 2. You know, it's very simple. We can just cancel this and then say that x minus y is 2. But it's quite unfortunate that what we have here is 5 and what we have here is 2. What we have here is 2 and what we have here is 5. So the bases are not the same. So we cannot practice this rule here. I hope that one is clear. So in that case, you are going to look at another best approach to use. So to do that, we can say, let's divide the power here with this and also divide the right side. Remember, since it's an equation, what you do to the left, you do to the right. Okay? So we can decide to call this our equation 1 and this will become our equation 2. So we can say from the equation 1, we are going to have 2 to the power of x minus y, divide it by the same power, is equal to, when you do it to the left, please remember to do to the right. So we have 5 power 2, divide it by x minus y. I hope it's cleared. Okay, so this can now cancel this. So we're going to have 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 over x minus y. I hope it's making sense. Okay, so we can name this equation 3. Then from this equation 2, let's see what we can do there. We can also do the same thing we did here in equation 2. So we can decide to have 2 to the power of x plus y, divide it by x plus y by the power. Is equal to, do same here. So we have 5 to the power of 3, divide by x plus y. From equation 2, we are getting this. So this can cancel. We are left with 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 over x plus y. It's making sense now, and this we can call equation 4. So now that we have gotten all these equations, what do you think we should do with them? Think. This has reduced the work for us because in this we have 2 is equal to this and this is 2 is equal to this. So you see 2 is now common in the 2 equations and it makes it very much easier for us to work on. So in that case, we are going to have from this equation 3 and equation 4, since 2 is equal to this, it means that what you have there is 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 over x minus y. And the second one is 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 over x plus y. So you see 2 is equal in the 2 equations. So why not we say that 5 to the power of 2 over x minus y is equal to 5 to the power of 3 over x plus y. Is it true? Yes, because 2 is here and 2 is here, so 2 is equal, meaning that the right side will also be equal. I hope it's making sense. We are gradually coming to the end. We can also apply our exponential rule there. Remember, in your exponential rule, if I have a to the power of m to be equal to a to the power of n, their bases are the same, and its equation, you can cancel the bases so that your m will be equal to n. So let's apply this here. So to do that, we are going to have, this can cancel because they are the same. So to have 2 over x minus y is equal to 3 over x plus y. Simple equation, simple algebraic equation, this will cross multiply. 2 will multiply the whole of this, 2 multiplies x will give us 2x, 2 multiplies y will give us 2y, 3 multiplies x will give us 3x, and 3 multiplies negative y will give us negative 3y. So at this point, we can collect terms together. So we are going to have 2x, this is positive. If you move to the right side, the left side, we are going to have what? Negative 3x. For this, we have negative 3y. If this comes there, it becomes what? Negative 2y. So 2 minus 3, the terms are the same. Just subtract the coefficients. So 2 minus 3 will give us negative x, or negative 1x, which is same as negative x. Okay? So we can have negative x is equal to, this is negative 3, negative 2, which will give us negative 5y. I hope that one is clear. So negative can cancel negative. Remember, our target is get 2 to the power of x over y. So we can now say that where our x is equal to 5y, okay, so we can also say that divide by this part, this coefficient 5, so divide by y, so that we can get x over y, its value. So we have divide by y and divide by y. This can cancel, so we can say that x over y is now equal to 5. I hope it's clear. So if x over y is equal to 5, can it help us to answer this question? Yes. So what do we do to get that answer? Let's please take this off. So to answer that question, we are going to have 2 to the power of x over y will now be 2 to the power of, what is our x over y? It is 5. So that will give us 2 to the power of 5. And 2 to the power of 5 is 2 multiplied by itself into 5 times. So if you multiply 2 into 5 times, you are going to have what? 32. And 32 becomes the solution or the answer to this particular question. I hope this tutorial really answered a lot of questions for you. If it does, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let's know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more are coming. And remember, I will meet with you in our next class. Share this also with your friends and colleagues. Till then, bye-bye.